If you are experiencing trouble with your roof and live in the Buffalo, New York area, call 716-588-2883 immediately. We are the premier roofing contractor in the Buffalo, New York area.
Are you experiencing trouble with your roof or are you in need of roof repair? If you are experiencing a roofing emergency, contact us immediately at 716-588-2883. Or, perhaps you've decided it's time for an entirely new roof. If you are searching for Leaky Roof Repair near Amherst, New York or Roof Repairs Near Amherst, New York, you are in the right place. We are the premier roofing contractor in Buffalo, New York. We also cover all of the surrounding communities in Erie County. We would love to help you with your roofing issues. You need someone that's going to service your roof professionally and get the job done right the first time. We will sit down with you to determine the best repair and installation options. We are confident that with our level of skill and expertise, we will provide you with the service that you will just love. Don't risk further damage to your home. Contact us today at 716-588-2883. We look forward to hearing from you.